In the back of your packet, you will find this piece of paper, and you'll also find a piece of notebook paper. I want you to put your name, your number, and date on the notebook paper, and then let's talk about what you're doing here. So we have a word problem on the left side, and on the right-hand side, we have different steps you would take to solve the word problem. So what your job is you need to decide what order these steps are going to go. You're going to cut all of these strips out. Let me draw. You're going to cut these strips out. Oops, excuse me. Cut along these lines. Cut all of these strips out on the dotted line. Then you will arrange them in the order that you would as you were solving this word problem. So let me read the word problem out to you. It says, Juanita made charm bracelets for each of her 5 friends. 2 of the bracelets had 15 beads each. 1 of the bracelets had 25 beads, and the final 2 bracelets had 36 tiny beads each. Juanita had 40 beads left over after she made all the 5 bracelets. How many beads did she start with? So that's the problem that you are solving. You have the steps in front of you. You just need to decide what comes first, what comes next, each step, until you get to the very last step. Now, on the notebook paper that I asked you to put your name, number, and date on is where you're going to glue these steps in order. Okay, you just need a couple of dots of glue on the back of each strip of paper. Just glue them. The first one goes on top, the next one goes underneath that. Just make a row of them. When you're done, leave your paper at your seat so it can dry, and then put it up later on in the day. And then you can throw away the word problem. You don't need to keep that. And then you can move on to the next step in your pathway.